Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the finished section of the Melrose Hill bypass. You would think we're driving on a highway 2000, but this is actually a part of highway 2000, but this is the Melrose Hill bypass. So this will give you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like when it's finished. So the Melrose Hill bypass is now going to be incorporated into Highway 2000. It's going to be a part of the section that runs from Maypen to Mandeville. So the road that was here before has been upgraded to what you're looking at now, and it's going to be 4 lanes with the Jersey barrier, and it's going to be a dual carriageway, and it will be a part of that section from Maypen to Mandeville. So when this road is completed, the entire section, you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes. But this is a very nice view of what the highway is going to look like. And what's nice about this section is you don't have to pay toll to use it. Although it's a part of Highway 2000, you don't have to pay toll to use this section of the road. So Highway 2000 is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. But because of the cost to build that highway, they decided to build it in pieces or sections. So Kingston to Maypen is open, up and running, and they're working on the Maypen to Mandeville section, which is where we are now. And this section will be opened in June of 2023.